It's time for a daily dose of victory, even if it's just a minute with the pastor.
Hey, I'm Pastor Tony Smith, and this is another daily dose of victory. We're on the subject, do you know what's up? Listen to me. This is a sensitive one. This is the one that carries some weight on you. I want to talk to you about being very discerning of your environment and the people around you and what they do for you and what they do against you. I want to talk to you first about, do you know what's up concerning your children? I'm not just talking about your 17, 18, 19-year-old, your 21-year-old. Do you know what's up concerning your 4-year-old when they go to the daycare or when they go to public school or private school? Do you actually know what they're getting involved in, the things they have to touch and deal with? Do you the people in their environment that touches their body the wrong way? Do you know what's up? Do you take care? Are you being very discerning of who and what is around your children? Do you know what's up? Who texts your little 14-year-old girl, 13-year-old, 12-year-old girl? Why is your 12-year-old girl having a communication with a 21, 19-year-old boy, gain a man that wants to talk to a little girl? Why? Do you know that dialogue will draw them to a corner? That corner would draw them into a car. That car would put them into a house, and that house will put them in a bad situation. Do you know what's up? I want you to take time today to become a spy towards the things that your children are around, and be very discerning about what's going on in your children's environment, so we will not have disasters and heartaches and bad situations coming that we cannot fix. Yeah, being a parent or a guardian, we always want to protect our children. But sometimes we have to take time to stop, find out what's coming after them, so we'll know what to protect.
Have a blessed day.